Okay, I've got some textile left from the last hoodie video that we made. So I decided, since I'm slowly busy changing some stuff here at the studio, let me make one or two cushions from that textile, and then at least there's something nice for the studio. So this is a cushion that we're going to make. I already made one. Just to make sure that I also know the process, because you can't always remember how to do it. But this is a very simple cushion cover. It's folded over, and it's just a normal fold over cushion that I'm going to make. So I don't really, there's no pattern for these things. What I do is I normally just, with these cushions, because they're just simple scattered cushions, I just sort of take the measurement like this, and then half of this. So when I fold it over, I see that I'm almost half, but remember now I'm going to put a seam in there as well, just to round it off nicely. So there's only going to be 3 short videos on this. And then this side I do the same, and you can leave 1 or 2 centimeters for seam allowance if you want to. But this is just simple scatter cushions. There's no pattern or anything for these things, because it really depends on the size of the cushion. So now I'm just going to cut in this video, just cut the material. So we've got everything here sort of right. That lifts up nicely there, and there's some seam allowance there. And here also I think we should be fine. It's going to stretch a bit, I think, but we'll see. And then this part goes sort of just a little bit over the halfway mark, because I want to fold it in like this, just to round it off nicely. Because the rounding off is not only on the outside, but it's also on the inside, so that it looks nice on the inside as well. So I'm going to do a stitch there as well. So in the next video, so this is a simple method of making nice cushions, scattered cushions. So in the next video, I'm going to do the stitching here for this seam here. And then I'm going to do a overlock seam for the inside seam here, just so that everything is nicely rounded off. What I also do is just sort of find the halfway mark for this cushion here, and I just do a clip here and there, more or less. So the first step now is, what we're going to do is we're going to do this seam here, just fold it in, and then the rest we will do, all of the rest we will do at the overlocker. Okay.